Morning. Let's do a quick walk through the garden. So as you can see, the mint is coming through very nicely. The dill plant has gotten taller and we have some baby dill sprouting up. Spinach is doing something. And I put cayenne pepper on everything because we have rabbits in this area and they don't like the cayenne pepper. As you can see, one was digging here. We have a beautiful flower finally coming in. The bok choy did go to flower, which is fine. I'm just gonna let it, drop the seeds. The onions, and look, y'all, whole little cabbage. Something that ate it all up. And I did put some cayenne pepper on that one. That one is better, but look at that one. My cabbage just, try again. Lemon balm is still doing good. My basil, lavender's coming in nicely. The borage, just my first time growing borage. I'm really excited about it. Echinacea is coming in real good. That's another little baby basil. That's gonna be a zinnia, some zinnia flowers and some parsley, sage and rosemary. My oregano bush, my calendula, something has eaten the leaves on that, so I put the pepper on there. More basil, more parsley. All right, we're doing good. And then bell pepper roll, they all doing good. Yep, we got those cucumbers. I don't know what's going on with those, but look, we have some flowers here, but it's not even hot and we don't have any pollinators, so I need to just pinch the flowers off. My tomato plants are getting taller, so I'm excited about that. We have some more basil, and that's another little tomato plant coming in right. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show y'all later because that looks like grass, but it's tomato plants. There's two of them. The marigolds are doing really nicely. Onions, lots of green onions. More basil. I planted lots of basil, as you can see. It smells so good when you fluff it. Some more Thai basil there. And let's see, let's go down this way. A little rose bush. All right, we have cucumbers and green beans because they grow well together. They play nicely together. This one little baby, she's suffering a little bit. Some peas are doing good. We have some flowers coming in, as you can see. There's one. Another one is coming in there. So we do have some pea flowers coming in. Oh, we got a green bean flower there. Got some green beans coming in. And we got pole beans and bush beans in here. The nasturtium is nice and tall. We have some green beans under there. Blueberry is doing good. Little baby raspberry. The corn is getting taller. Oh, look, we got raspberry flowers. Some there. We have some over there too. So we're gonna have some raspberries, some onions and flowers here. I'll be glad when it all fills in. Some squash and zucchini plants. I planted onions with it because it helps deter the squash bug. Marigolds, some more squash, and all this is squash over here. And look, these are really about to start. Those leaves, once you see them start getting that width, they're about to really start coming up. Cosmos, aster flowers, just a bunch of different. This is gonna be so pretty when it fills in. So pretty. I haven't decided what I'm gonna plant in that basket yet. Look at this pretty marigold. Our onions. This is zucchini. That's a zucchini plant. That's a zucchini plant. I have lots of zucchini plants because I love zucchini and squash. The jasmine is doing good back there. Little baby rose bush coming in. Potatoes. More basil. I got to plant that in the ground. And some of our starts are coming in. We have 3 eggplant starts coming in. I don't remember what that was, but I don't know. Some serrano peppers, jalapeno. I thought I had some cayenne peppers coming in, but oh, look, a poblano. And yellow bell. Okay. More nasturtium. lemongrass, which I really need to put it in the ground because you can see all the roots that are. And I actually grew this from store-bought lemongrass. Excuse the jets flying over. All right, our citronella is coming in. Look at it. Okay, citronella. Hey, girl. And my little tiered planters or stackables are doing pretty good. We have mixed greens here, lots of flowers and garlic, chamomile, cilantro, dill. Oh, look, the thyme is coming in nice. I stopped talking because those jets are really loud. This, I need to take this cage off and shuffle some of this dirt around, but as you can see, we have lots of nasturtium in here, beets. I mean, these are radishes right here. The leaves are actually starting to finally get a little bit larger. My beets aren't doing too well, so I'm gonna replant beets. But up here, we have plenty of strawberry flowers in, and we have, we got a lot of strawberries coming in. Oops, I'm knocking stuff over. But we have, and yes, I put that cayenne pepper everywhere. Oh, we got some strawberries down there. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on. Oh, shoot, you probably can't see the way I'm holding this camera. But there's strawberries down there. So we have two different kinds of strawberries in here. Then over here, we have a watermelon plant coming in. I had to split them up. Some marigolds. There's another one. There's one right there. And that's a cantaloupe right there. And there's the peach tree. And my petunias.